Let's do another Xordle. All right. We start with the default guess plant, which tells us a lot of information. The n is fourth. Got PAT, none of which are in the right place. So I'm going to try tapas, which is a type of little snack. Some of you know what it is. Puts the A in a couple of places, puts the T and the P in different places. Okay, we got the P in the right place, but now we know the A is either first or last. That's interesting. And we know the T isn't first or last. So why don't we try attic, which we'll try the T in two places, see if the A is up front. All right. Now we know there's only one T, and we know it's not first, second, second, third, or fourth. So we know it a fifth, so we know it has to be fourth. And we know there's only a single, well, we don't know there's a single A. We know there's an A up front, but we know there's a T in the fourth spot. So can we pick up some more words that have a T in the fourth spot? How about mouth? Oh, we got TH. That's good. And we also picked up the O. Now work at the OB. It can't be second, can't be fourth because we've already got two letters there. So it's either first, third, or fifth. I want to try something like promo. Let's see. We already know the P is, well, the P is not up front, but that's okay. And we know there's not an M, so maybe there's a better word than promo. I mean, it does use the R, does put O in a couple of spots. Is there another word we could use that something, something, O, something, O? I'm not saying, we'll just use this. All right, we know the O is, we know there's only one O and it's third because the second O is grayed out. We already knew where the P was, and we also learned that there's not an R. Okay, so that's, I guess that's okay. Let's see, we could start thinking about putting some words together. I know we only have, what, 6 letters in place, but I'm looking at the last spot that ends in an H, and it's not going to be NH, so it's going to be TH. And unless it's depth, which it could be, it's probably not PTH. You know, just because I said that, I don't like guessing so early, but sometimes you got to go with your instincts. What do we have left? We got A up front. We got an O in the third spot. We got an N, and then that. All right. Agony fits. I'm thinking what could go in the second letter of the remaining letters. A-N-O-N, well, A-Q, A-W. I'm thinking about second spots. A-Y, A-F, A-G. Agony is probably it. A-J, A-K, A-Z, A-X, A-V, A-B, A-N. Yeah, I'm 99% sure it's agony. And it is. Nice.